Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I found a free parking lot somewhere here in the Reading area, and I want to bring you this ride of this Majestic Longboard electric skateboard. Woo, that is a mouthful. But yeah, the board is all charged up. It is about 2 degrees outside, so I am double, triple, fourth layered up here with clothing. And I'm just going to stick into low and medium mode for the time being, just to give you guys some feedback. But yeah, I've been had a few extra rides after the ride I posted, and the board just rides really nice. Things that I would have liked is probably the truck's a little bit looser, but you can adjust this as well. You can put different rubbers in, bushes or whatever, so you can get more flow. Some people like a very stiff board, so it doesn't move about on high speed, and some guys like a flowier ride where the board really can carve. This street tires has been awesome. You do get a bit more of an off-road tire as well for these boards, so it's another thing that you can look at for if you want to change or customize your board. There's loads of other accessories you can get, like under the board lighting and so forth. But yeah, this is just going to be a little bit of a ride, so you guys can see how the board performs. But as I've seen so far, this thing is really rapid. You know, that's just on the low setting. The pickup is really fast. So definitely worth a look at if you are into electric skateboard or electric longboards. They also do different sizes. So there's a smaller board that's a little bit wider as well. There's also the street type of board as well. This is the all-terrain, and with the Supreme you actually get the all-terrain tires and you get the street tires or the street wheels as well. So definitely worth a check out. But yeah, just going to be a little bit ride. I'm also going to get my daughter to do a bit of a ride on the board, just so that you can see how easy it is to control. And that's the key thing. You know, a lot of guys will be smashing out the streets on this stuff, but there's also people that want to try a skateboard out. You know, electric skateboard, and it needs to be something that more people can actually use. So because we want to get more people involved in riding electric ridables, e-scooters, e-skateboards, e-bikes, e-mountain bikes, EUCs, whatever it is. The easier it is to ride, the safer it is for people to learn how to use these things properly. Yes, we all ride with helmets and gloves, knee pads if you want to go extreme, but yeah, keep it safe, keep it slow, enjoy the ride. That is what it's about, exploring. I use these things for exploring, having fun. I'm so far away from the beach, so I can't go surfing, so I use these things, skateboards, one wheels, electric unicycles, for that flowy ride, just to get my fix for the surfing feeling. But also guys, if you interested in this board, please check out the guys from e-scooter clinic. They're in London, and I'll put all the details down in the description below. There's also a discount code, so if you want to buy one of these boards, use my discount code. It doesn't cost you anything, it actually saves you money, but it allows you to have a little bit of a discount. So guys, that's it. If you need any specs for the board, it's on the website, go and check it out. But yeah, let's get the ride going. Let's go and check it out. This is the Majestic Supreme electric skateboard. Okay guys, from that little round trip, you guys can see how the board is flowy, really nice to ride. And again, you can adjust the trucks and the rubbers to be stiffer, so if you like a firmer ride, or you can loosen it up so you can get a more of a flowy ride. But I'm not going to have my daughter follow me around so you can see as well and just get some nice ride footage. But yeah, it is very cold, and yeah, but still good fun to be out, good fun. All of these things are super fun to ride, man. It's just keep it safe, keep it slow, and it's so nice even with thick gloves to be able to control the speed going forward, and then also pulling back where you just need to lean into the thing to actually brake. Super smooth to accelerate, and then also super smooth to brake, and that's sort of the important thing. But let's get going. Okay guys, that's my ride. I'm going to be cruising around a little bit more just to have some further fun with the board. Another important thing that I confirmed with the guys, this board is IP65 rated, so it can be ridden in dust, and also it can handle water, but can't be submerged. It's not waterproof, it's more weatherproofed, so you can use it in the rain, you can go through small puddles. Just don't submerge it, don't ride it through deep water, because these things are like all electric stuff, it needs to be maintained. So if you do go through water, you know, it's good to take the wheels off, check the bearings, dry the stuff out, put some lubricant on that. The same for the motors, keep it dry, keep it in a dry area. When you've been smashing it through the puddles, it's always good to store the board inside the house so it can dry out, rather than it's somewhere outside or in a shed where it's just moisture all over the place and it just rusts. So these things rust. So if you don't look after these things, then it's not going to last. But if you do look after it, it is going to last really long. But guys, really check these guys out. Electric Scooter Clinic, e-scooter clinic in London. Really nice guys. They've got a big range, spare parts as well for personal electric vehicles, the scooters, e-bikes, e-skateboards. And then check out these e-skate longboards if you're interested in it. You know, a lot of people like something with a handlebar. Some people like a skateboard riding feeling. Some people like a one wheel, and some people like EUCs. I like all of it. It's everyone has got a place where you can ride it and where it works the best. But yeah, super impressed with this board. Check these guys out. Their service has been excellent. Their communication has been excellent, and I'm super impressed with this board. I'm going to do a few other rides if I do get some time, but the weather looks like it's going to snow, the guys are saying. So we're going to have a bit more fun on the board. I'm going to get my daughter also to ride it, and then I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Cheers.